In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an API key in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace before continuing, especially if you manage multiple accounts or workspaces. This helps avoid generating a token in the wrong place. Once you're inside ClickUp, go to the upper left corner and click your workspace name or your profile menu. This will open the main menu where you can access your account options. From there, select Settings to open the full settings area. After the settings page opens, scroll down until you find the Integrations and ClickApp section. This is where ClickUp keeps connection-related tools and developer options. In that section, click ClickUp API to move into the API area. When the API page opens, make sure you are on the API Tokens tab. This is important because ClickUp may display multiple sections, and the Token tab is where you can create or manage your access token. Under API Token, click Generate if you don't already have a token. If a token is already there and you need a brand new one instead, click Regenerate. Keep in mind that regenerating a token usually replaces the old one, so anything using the previous token may stop working until it's updated. After that, a sign-in with Google window will appear, so ClickUp can verify your identity before generating the token. Click the Google account shown in the window. If the correct account isn't listed, choose the option to use another account and then sign in with the Google account connected to your ClickUp account. Next, complete the Google authentication process. Depending on your setup, this may include confirming permissions or verifying your sign-in. Once the verification is finished, return to ClickUp and your API token will be generated automatically. When the token appears, click Copy next to it to copy it to your clipboard. This makes it easy to paste into the app, automation, or integration where you need it. Finally, store your API token securely. Treat it like a password, because it can be used to access your ClickUp account through the API. Avoid sharing it publicly or saving it in an unsecured location. Thanks for watching.